Thank you for calling your Howell Mill Walmart Supercenter. How can I help you?
Hello?
Operator, can I help you?
How's it going?
Fine. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
One, two.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, could you tell me what you need, and I can transfer you to whatever area you need to talk to.
Four.
Can you still have your CDL listing on the podium? Hello?
Four.
Hello?
Operator, can I help you? Can we
Yes.
hold on just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can I help you?
Yes. What's the release that you get when you binge and purge?
I don't know, sir. You have to call and ask somebody. That's not a question that is a part of my job. Did you need some help in the store?
Yeah.
Okay. Where did you need to? Who did you need to speak with?
Are you mad?
I beg your pardon.
Quit taking yourself so damn seriously.
This is. I'm trying to do my job. Which area of the store do you wish to speak with?
Four.
Okay. You have a good evening. Okay.
No.
Thank you.
No. Hello?